Wait, have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my hair look different today? You're not imagining it. Your hair color can actually change naturally, and it might be telling a secret about your body. Most people think hair color only changes with dye or sunlight, right? But the truth is, stress, diet, and even your daily routine can slowly alter your hair's natural pigment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens, what to watch for, and small changes you can make to keep your hair vibrant. Your hair color comes from melanin, the natural pigment produced in your follicles. There are two types, eumelanin, which makes hair brown or black, and pheomelanin, which makes it red or yellow. As you age, melanin decreases, but did you know that factors like stress or poor nutrition can speed this up? That means even in your 20s, your hair can slowly lighten, darken, or develop unexpected tones. Here's what many people overlook. Smoking, not drinking enough water, skipping protein, or exposure to pollution can all affect your hair's health and color. Tiny lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. If you want me to show a simple daily routine that can protect your natural hair color and even restore vibrancy, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment saying, "Hair Care Secret." I'm going to share it next. Tips to maintain hair color naturally. Tip 1. Eat more protein. Your hair is made of protein, so feed it well. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Dry hair looks dull and can change tone. Tip 3. Protect your hair from sun and pollution with scarves or natural oils. Tip 4. Reduce stress. Yes, meditation or even 10 minutes of calm can help maintain your melanin. Tip 5. Use natural hair masks with ingredients like coconut oil, henna, or amla to nourish follicles. Now you know why your hair might be changing naturally and how to take control. If you want me to share the 5-minute daily routine to stop hair color changes naturally, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.